guys, welcome back to Do It on a Dime with Kathryn. The Dollar Tree sells out so fast every year of holiday decor, but if you've got a small space, if you can't find anything in your Dollar Tree, I have got you covered with these 5 giant DIY ideas. They are brand new, and today's video is brought to you in part by Rakuten. I've got a giveaway. Let's jump into it. How adorable is this Christmas countdown? I love that. And they even have mini fireplaces. So cool, and it even has a little crackle. Dollar Tree is always carrying new products. I love these little stools with the natural legs. I'm gonna put this by the tree in Carson's room. So cute. The reindeer here, these are so beautiful. I also really like these. Grab a couple of rolls of cellophane paper and a pool noodle, and instead of using holiday decor, we're gonna make a super fun tree for Carson using the party supplies. I'm really excited. This is a fabulous deal for $5. It even comes with the carrying bag, a 4-foot Christmas tree. This is the one. If you've got a small space, you're gonna love this trick for under $20. These trees were so much better quality than I thought they were gonna be. Grab a Dollar Tree garland. You can actually cut these down and weave it in between the branches to give it some extra fullness. I just love how this tree skirt turned out. Grab some $1 colored duct tape. I've made tons of pool noodle crafts over the years. They really are on trend right now. I'll link all those videos down below. My friend Bargain Bethany did some on her channel, and so did the Daily DIYer. So cool, and here is my take on these fun candy canes. 1 pool noodle and 1 roll of cellophane is all you need, so just a $2 investment. And then you want to do this to all of your pool noodles. You can cut these as big or as small as you want. Cut down some cellophane and roll it up and add some ribbon to the side. I love the options that they have this year. I also grabbed these little pom-poms. You get 2 for $1, stick them together, and I think this looks like candy too. I'm a huge fan of cinnamon during the holidays. Let me know in the comments down below if you like it too. Stick these right into your tree, and I added some of the ribbon to it as well. This was such an easy DIY, and the gnome tree topper was just $3. I also had to grab one of these $3 gnomes and give him a little upgrade. Oh my goodness, I know this footage is so hard to watch of me cutting off his beard, but trust me, it is worth it, and this hack is so fun. I just stuck the beard inside the hat to give it some more fullness, and then I grabbed a $1 mop head. If you push this up into the top of the hat, it's going to make it look like this is a hand-knit gnome. This is so adorable. It's really relaxing. Just go through the mop and untangle them so it looks like a natural beard. You can trim this down if you need to. This is so whimsical and perfect in Carson's room. I love these giant doors. They come in all different colors and they have really cool chalkboard signs on the front. This is a vintage chair that I had from when I was growing up, and I absolutely adore these little stools. How cute does this look together? And speaking of gifts for underneath of your tree, today's video is brought to you by Rakuten. It used to be called Ebates. I have been using it for many years and saved thousands of dollars. It's an extension that you put on your browser or an app for your phone. You can shop thousands of stores, over 3,500, to get cash back for shopping you were doing anyway, especially this holiday season and around Black Friday. Right now at the time of filming, Walmart has a 6% cash back from their photo center, so I can pick up our family's Christmas cards on a dime. All of the toys that you're buying, everything from Macy's to Ulta, maybe vacations that you're planning, you can get cash back and save right in the app. The app itself is absolutely free. I've talked about it for so many years and heard so many good things from you guys too. I'll put a link in my description box, and here's why you want to check it out. You get a $40 welcome bonus just for signing up and placing your first qualifying purchase. $40 free this holiday season from my house to yours. And there's also a $100 giveaway, so don't forget to check that out in the description box down below. Dollar Tree is even on the app, totally worth it. And I want to share this with you. In Dollar Tree, there are these giant gift sacks. These are $1 brand new this year. You don't even have to buy wrapping paper. Put all of those toys inside, and this nestles so beautifully underneath of the Christmas tree. Scoop these up because they're gonna go fast. And without further ado, let's get back to crafting. You guys know how much I love Dollar Tree zip ties. I'm gonna grab a few packs of these. We are gonna make a giant snowflake using hangers. I love the Dollar Tree hangers, and I've been wanting to try this trick for years. I'll try to find the original blog post and link it down below. But all you need is 16 hangers. And if you can put them together in groups of 2 like this, and then add another layer over top, you'll see the connection point of where the 2 hangers meet at the top is the base of where the next hangers are laid. You also need 16 zip ties for this project, and I found it best to do the perimeter first and then do the inside, and don't pull them too tight because that way it gives a snowflake a little bit of flexibility as you're working. You want to put the zip ties at all the connection points where the 4 hangers are meeting, and you'll see I'm going to do the same thing around the inside. Once they're all added, I trim these down, and these hooks are from the Dollar Tree. These suction cup hooks, they are awesome and last all season long. You can stick these right on. How gorgeous does this look from the street? You would never have any idea these were made from hangers. I'm so glad I tried this one this year. I had extra zip ties. I want to share with you this trick. If you're trying to hang garland, zip tie it right to the side of your mantle. I also grabbed these bells from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use it to decorate over our banister.
Oh, good catch.
The Dollar Tree sells beautiful tartan ribbon that you can weave all the way through. And to add the clapper to the inside of the bells, especially because you can see this from down below, I glued a couple of Dollar Tree ornaments to the side. This adds such a fun and festive touch. For the larger bells, I took 3 of the ornaments and some twine, and I added it to the inside. I added the bells to the side of the garland. You can complete this look on a very small budget. Let me know what you think in the comments below.
There's 2 brand new products at Dollar Tree right now I've never seen, and the first are these antique brass hooks. This would be really awesome for a DIY. They're very high quality. I'm gonna grab a couple of these. If you don't have a mantle in your house, check out this easy trick.
I got these little houses from the dollar section at Target. They're about $1 each, and the wood is nice and soft. And yes, these hooks come with screws as well. I just placed these on, and then I added this to a shelf. You could hang stockings from these, and you'll see I even bought the little mini fireplace from the Dollar Tree. How cute is this little look in a kid's room, or if you don't have a mantle and fireplace?
I love the Dollar Tree ornaments. I buy them every single year, and you guys may have seen on Instagram, we got a new tree in our front yard, and it is very small. So I love the Dollar Tree giant bulbs. We're gonna use this to turn it into the Charlie Brown Christmas tree. This is an old blue towel.
Sometimes it's not what you have, it's what you choose to do with it. I love you guys so, so much.
If you enjoyed this video, leave it a big thumbs up. That lets me know you want more like this. Don't forget to check out Rakuten. You get a $40 welcome bonus. Everything will be linked down below. If nobody has told you today, you, my friend, are enough. I can't wait to catch you guys in the next one, and I'll see you there. Bye.